Hello, this week in this video we'll see using a post request instead of get. For get request we'll pass the values through URL. For post request we'll pass this values through send method, send function. Here I'm removing these values from URL. I'll pass this to send function. For now I'll just use static values instead of input fields value. I'll update this later. I'm passing a name equals to my name. I'm using my name here. Okay, and we should change here in Ajax.php instead of get, it's post name because of post request. If I reload and test, we should see an error because I haven't changed the content type using a set request header. We should update always whenever we are using a post request. We should update this too. We should update the content type using a set request header. If I open this sample files in basics folder, send request post, here is this line. We should always use this line while using a post request. I am copying it and pasting it here. And if I reload this page now, we should see this value, static value, not the input fields value, because I am not passing the static value from send function. I'll make this to work with input fields value by just passing a name value variable here. Instead of a plain text, it's a name value variable and it should be concatenated. If you're not concatenating, JavaScript will treat this as a plain text variable, plain text. And if I submit this form, we should see updated values. Here we are getting a statement with this name submitted in this input field. And we just made this Ajax request to work with a post method with the value submitted through input field. And for get request we had to pass this data through URL, and for post request I had to use it through send function. Then we have to always set the content type using a set request header.